Hi everyone, welcome to Learn MuleSoft series. My name is Neeraj Jain. I'm MuleSoft architect. So today agenda is we will learn how to call RESTful APIs, which is hosted on HTTP, HTTPS protocol. So we will call those endpoints through the Mule project. Okay, so already I have created one dummy demo 2 project here. So if you don't know how to create the project, then you can go new and click on Mule project. You can create the project on MuleSoft Anypoint Studio. So now here is the demo-2.xml. This is the main flow XML. So we can create the flows over here. So first, there are two endpoints. One is based on the HTTP protocol. It is return employees list, and another is based on HTTPS protocol. It will return users list. Okay. So let's start with first point employees. So let me drag over here one listener. So listener basically it will create the Mule API endpoint. So already I have created this config. So let's check what we have to do here. Basically, there is nothing we have to do. Already there is pre-populated default values. So we have to port. We can change port 80. We can change the port according our requirement. So basically over here I'm using default port 8081. Okay. Now only I have to provide my path. So let me provide path employees. Like this path, I will call Mule API. Now HTTP request drag here. So basically HTTP request control use for calling the endpoint URL. So let me create one configuration over here. It is asking best path protocol. Already here is I have selected HTTP means default port HTTP host and port. So let me check the endpoint. So basically this is the my endpoint. So here is the host. So host is dummy.restapi example.com. So this is the host of this endpoint, and what is the, let me copy it, base path. So base path is this. Okay, now nothing to provide any value here. Click on OK. So basically this is the construct here endpoint, and this is the endpoint of the REST API. So I can provide this endpoint path here employees. So you can check here full endpoint URL as it is match with the REST endpoint, right? So this is the done as of now, and request type is get. Now we can select here logger. So logger can we can see the logger message on console. So let me select payload here. Whatever comes from the endpoint, it will show here. So let me run the project here. So we can check what's value comes through the first flow. It will take few seconds for deploy the project. After deploying successfully, we can check through the postman. If I will try right now, so my endpoint path is employees, right? Let me check it's deployed or not. Yeah, it's deploying. Yeah, it's deployed. Now I will check it. Yeah, now got status 200, and here is the list of employees, right? Now I will check with second endpoint, which is based on the HTTPS protocol. So let me drag here another flow like this kind of listener. I selected default listener, and endpoint path I will provide here is the user. So I can also provide users here. You can check according to you. your requirement. So as of now I'm putting same endpoint path users, and let me go on request. So let me create another request because of it is based on the HTTPS protocol. So let me select here HTTPS protocol and host. So basically goresh.co.in. This is the host of second endpoint, and there is no need to provide any port. Okay, only we have to provide basic base path here. Okay, only one thing we have to do here, like for because of it is on HTTPS protocol, so we have to select TLS configuration here. So let me select it edit line so we can edit over here and check this checkbox insecure. Let me click over here. Okay, so you can check here, and let me provide the path users here and provide the logger over here so we can check also console payload. It's saved. Let me go on console so we can check it's deploying our new changes over here. It's deployed successfully. Now let me check on through the postman. So another endpoint was users. Yeah, so we got 200 status over here, and here is the users list. You can check. Thank you for everyone. Please subscribe my channel so you can get more and more videos on different controls of the MuleSoft application. Thank you everyone.